We're going to look at some applications of systems of equations. So it says a car service charge customers a flat fee per ride, and that's $2. And then also a cost per minute, 0.40, so 40 cents, and then a cost per mile, 140. It says let x equal the number of minutes, y equals the number of miles, and at the end of the drive, the passenger owed $1,900. And then we're going to see the second part's going to come in later, that the number of minutes was 5 times the number of miles. So I can find an equation based off of just the first part, which says 40 cents per minute plus 140 per mile plus the flat fee of $2 equals 19. So that's my equation. All right, and now the second part here talks about the relationship between the minutes and miles, is that the number of miles was the number of minutes was 5 times the number of miles. So I can write that as x minus 5y equals 0, because if you think about it, if it's 5 times, even just say if it's 1, then x is 5, you're going to get 0. All right, so I have 2 equations here now that I can actually solve for x, the number of minutes, and y, the number of miles. There's nothing wrong with this of moving all the numbers to one side, because it probably looks more like what you've been used to anyway. And then I have my equation here, x minus 5y equals 0. Totally up to you. You can do a matrix, you can do elimination. When I see something like this, I think right away substitution, because it's just something very quick and easy to solve for that variable. So now I take this one, and where I see an x, I'm going to plug in 5y. 40y equals 17, which is going to give me 2y plus 1.40y equals 17, which I collect my like terms, 3.40y equals 17, and then I divide both sides by 3.40, and I get my y equals 5 miles. So if I want to know the number of minutes, guess what? I can just use this right here, and I get 25 minutes. So the hardest part of these types of questions, right, are just trying to figure out how to take words and put them in an equation. And then you just go through your system of equations and solve. Again, you can use any technique you like. You can use elimination, you can use substitution, you can use matrices, just whichever way you like the best.